Exploring the culinary pioneers, untold stories of Tamil curry's heroes. Please note that our discussion here is focused on the food aspect and not on colonialism, which is understandably a bitter part of history. The Tamil curry, steeped in rich history and cultural significance, has been the subject of numerous tales and legends in ancient Tamil literature. These stories offer valuable insights into the origins, ingredients, and preparation methods of traditional Tamil curries that have endured through time. Within these narratives lies a deeper understanding of the culinary heritage and flavors that have molded Tamil curry into the beloved dish it is today. Yet, in our exploration, we aim to spotlight a handful of individuals who, despite their pivotal roles, have remained in the shadows, their contributions often overlooked. These unsung heroes, though unnoticed, have played a crucial role in advancing the curry cause, leaving an indelible mark on this culinary tradition. Surprisingly, two of these unsung heroes were kings, while the other two were appointed by those very monarchs. Strikingly, all four were non-Tamils, yet they unknowingly shaped the curry we savor today, their contributions proving invaluable. King Ferdinand II of Spain, renowned for his exploration endeavors, commissioned the illustrious Italian explorer, Christopher Columbus, to embark on a daring mission. Columbus, driven by the desire to find a direct route to the lucrative spice-rich land of the Tamils, eagerly accepted the royal commission. The unexpected consequence of this mission was the Spanish colonization of the Americas, ushering in a new era. However, in this discourse, our focus shifts to their significant contributions to the food sector, particularly the popular and flavorful dish known as curry. In his second voyage in 1493, Christopher Columbus was accompanied by the royal physician Dr. Chanca, who explored the herbs in the Caribbean region. Together, they made discoveries, including various seeds, among which was the renowned chili. This expedition marked a pivotal moment in the exchange of botanical knowledge between the Old World and the New World. Between 1493 and 1497, a few Christian monasteries in Spain and Portugal experimented with these seeds, cultivating the fiery and flavorful fruit known as chillies. Notably, Christopher Columbus played a pivotal role in introducing chilies to Europe, expanding culinary horizons and leaving a lasting impact on the continent's food sector. Meanwhile, the chilies caught the attention of Portuguese King Manuel I. Convinced of their potential, the Portuguese conducted a thorough study, recognizing the chili's superiority to black pepper. The king commissioned Vasco da Gama to reach the spice land of the Tamils. In 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Colicoid. However, the meeting with King Zamorian turned out to be disappointing, leading to Vasco da Gama's expulsion. The chili presented by him directly competed with the king's flagship product, the black pepper, resulting in the expulsion. The Portuguese returned to Kochi, seized control, and actively promoted the cultivation of chili peppers in various Asian countries. The popularity of chili spread to Ceylon, Malacca, Thailand, Ethiopia, Mozambique, Japan, and China, revolutionizing the spice trade and impacting the culinary traditions of the Tamil people. The introduction of chili peppers brought a new level of heat and complexity to Tamil curries, altering their flavor profile permanently. The unsung heroes, Christopher Columbus, Dr. Chanca, King Manuel I, and Vasco da Gama, have often been overlooked. Yet, their contributions ushered in a curry revolution, transforming the pre-chilli era curry into the post-chilli era. Even after 520 years, the influence of this curry evolution remains strong among the Tamil community, who continue to embrace the vibrant flavors of this iconic dish. A peasant in a Tamil village might naively refuse to believe that chili, potato, tomato, pumpkin, and many other vegetables are foreign additions introduced by the Portuguese. As for them, these ingredients have become an integral part of their habitual food tradition. This speaks volumes about the profound contributions of these unsung heroes to the world of Tamil curry. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.